Hi guys, it's me Gentle Shadow on again with a new practical. This one is about an application called TraceMe. In this application work for the people who is like how can I know who is monitoring me? How can I know how things are running my device? How can I know which server is threatening me? How people are threatening me on my device? How can I know that? This application is designed for you guys. But for people who are in Nigeria, you have to change the VPN in order to achieve this application. This application works specifically in telling you and monitoring how things are run, telling you how your device is being run, which place is unsecure and which place is not secure. Let's move on. Now, this application is TraceMe. As you can see, the application is on my device traced. This application is very good and very beautiful to use. Now, to get this application, you have to go to your Play Store, type Trace. As you can see, my device is protected by this application. Trace. This application have many features. This is the dashboard. This is the event page. This page is where all the risky filter by risky, and this place is where the information on how applications are working, monitoring, or insecure. As you can see, you show that this Wi-Fi is not secure. This application helps to you in keeping your device secure. As you can see, there is the device. My device is not in threat. And also, if you are watching this video today, I will show you how this app helps you in scanning a site. Like, if somebody pastes a site on Facebook, Instagram, you are not verified that this site is good, you will go to the site. You copy that site. I will show you how to copy the site and paste it on this application. Go to the site, click on Facebook. For example, let me use my Instagram, my WhatsApp to show you some example. Now I'm going to use my WhatsApp to show you how this application works. Click on enter the application or the site sent to you or the link sent to you. Now click on the link sent by the person, like this link here. Copy the link, go to the application, paste the link, Click on scanning. This application is going to scan the link, scan everything about the site, and tell you that it's good. As you can see, it's scanning the site. But you have to on your data in order to do this. This application is awesome, good, and keep your device secure. Trace. The name is on head, and you can see the name Trace. Beautiful. Made for people who need security. You see, there is no trace. There is no threat. Open the link. As you can see, it has scanned it. This application is beautiful. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more of my awesome videos. Or if you don't understand any application, don't forget to comment it down at the public comment, and I will help you work, and I will work it for you, and paste the video for you in order for you to understand it more. Don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe. Subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks.